perfect home. Yeah. May perfect home na ako. Yeah. June.
Siguro in a sense na, you know, I went through that phase also before na medyo guarded ka, you're more careful, you're scared of going through pain again and being let down by people. But maybe that's more in the past. Cause now, parang, you know, whether you're gonna bring pain or happiness, diba? At least everyone is given a chance. And yun, siguro mas in the past po ako nakaka-relate sa kanya.
Now, hindi na masyado.
Now, baka not as guarded as before, just
Wiser pa. Okay, so next question is, you guys are nominated for the...
Third installment.
Okay, the JP, may aabangan ba kaming pangatlong pagsasama ninyo?
Hindi lang pangatlo.
Marami pa. Wow, mas marami na tayong mapanakit na mapapinoon ng pelikula. Okay, so this is, it is.
100%.
To a certain thing, syempre meron ng abusive. Pero, you know, the basic things, talagang kapag pinasok mo yung love, may kaakibat ng pain yan at some point na you should be ready to handle if you want the relationship to work. That makes sense.
Yes, sir.
Kasi rin natin.
Kayo naman, would you like to expound your answers earlier?
I feel like the advice should be coming from him because diba, he's already reached the point where really
He has a
he
moment.
can give us some tips. Please.
Yun nga, yung kung hanggang saan mo kaya, yung threshold mo ng pain eh, di ba? Kasi katulad nga sinabi ni Derek, yung pagmamahal may kaakibat na sakit. So, ako tanggap ko na yung sakit eh, no? Diba? So, yeah.
Oh, worth it naman. Pag worth it yung tao, worth it lahat. Parang it boils down to that.
Okay, so before we wrap up, this is the last question. Would you hold on to love this Christmas?
Of course, not this Christmas.
Hindi lang this Christmas.
All
The
year
New Year.
round.
All year round.
New Year.
New Year, yes. Valentine's. Oh, Valentine's. Sobrang dami pang kasi.
All our lives dapat.
Okay.
Love close.
Alright.
Thank you.
Alright, speaking of holding on to love this Christmas, please let them all know that we are...
Hold Me Close this coming December 25. Tapos yung float natin in December Parade 21. Magkita-kita po tayo dyan.
Yes, yun. Thanks guys for joining us this afternoon. We hope you enjoyed the film. If you're here this Christmas, please try to watch it and let us know the feedback niyo. Thank you.
Correct?
Ayan,